Weather alert, low pressure system to bring rain. Thunderstorms and gusty winds across Cambodia PHNOMPENH August 17, 2026. Cambodia is expected to experience significant weather changes from August 17 to 19, 2026, as a low-pressure system over the South China Sea influences the prevailing southwest monsoon, bringing rain, thunderstorms, lightning, and gusty winds across the country. According to the latest weather forecast, the low-pressure system is affecting weather patterns over the Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea, South China Sea, and Mekong River Basin. With the southwest monsoon covering the entire country, weather conditions are expected to vary across Cambodia's three main regions. Lowland areas, temperatures will range from 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, with rain accompanied by thunderstorms, lightning, and gusty winds expected across approximately 30% of the area. Highland areas, temperatures will range from 24 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius, with rain, thunderstorms, lightning, and gusty winds potentially affecting up to 50% of the area. Coastal areas, temperatures will range from 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, with rain, thunderstorms, lightning, and gusty winds expected across around 40% of the area. Meanwhile, fishermen and marine travelers are urged to exercise extra caution, as sea waves could reach heights of 0.50 to 1.75 meters. Authorities are calling on the public to remain vigilant, particularly during thunderstorms and periods of strong winds, and to take necessary precautions to reduce the risk of weather-related accidents.